So hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm in Coaching Center. Today I'm going to explain that is the 12th standard economics, that is the 4th chapter, theory of the firm under perfect competition, and it is part 2 video. So let's come to the other topics of this chapter. So next question is, how does the imposition of a unit tax after the supply curve of a firm? So a unit tax is the tax imposed on a per unit of the household. Due to the imposition of unit tax, the cost of production per unit of output increase, which ultimately increase the marginal cost, and consequently the LMC curve will shift leftward, upward, and as the supply curve of the portion of LMC, so the supply curve will also shift leftward and upward. So like this it will be growing on. Next question is, how does an increase in the price of an input affect the supply curve of a firm? So an increase in the price of an input increases the cost of production, which in turn increases the marginal cost of the firm. Consequently, the MC curve will shift upward to the left, and the supply curve will also shift left upward. Next, how does an increase in the number of firms in a market affect the market supply curve? So the market supply curve is a horizontal summation of all the supply curves of individual firms in the market. Next, what does the price elasticity of supply means, and how does we measure? Then the price elasticity of the supply is defined as the degree of the responsiveness of quantity supply to change in the price of goods, and it is expressed E is equal to percentage change in quantity supply by percentage change in price, that is delta Q by delta Q by Q into 100, delta P by delta P into 100, that it will become delta P by delta Q by delta P into P by delta Q it will become. And then here another it will be. So here they have given a question, that is they have given a sold quantity, so 0 1, so T or is equal to P into Q. There you learned that formula. So as per this sold quantity, here they have given rupees 10 for one, so one for goods rupees is 10, so 10, P into Q, that is formula T or is equal to, so 10 into 1 is equal to 10, like that 10 into 2 3 4 10 6, they have given 60. Then here T or N minus T or N minus 1, here only now by marginal formula we learned now, that formula we have to put here. So that is T or here this minus here T or minus, that is here they have given a goods rupees market price, that marginal revenue is equal to T or minus T or, that is 10 minus 0, 10 minus 10, 20 minus 10, and 30 minus 20. This all we have to put and we have to solve. Next is, here again they have given that, so TC. So here TC first, which one will come, that you have to write TC, which one will come. So TC here 5, TC here they have given here rupees 5, 0 you have to write first, next 5, next here 10, next 10, 15, 20, like that you have to write. Next here T or you have to write, next TC here you have to write. Now you have to minus the TC minus T, or you have to do for find the profit, and then you have to divide it with the quantity, how much your product is. Like see here 5 minus 7 2, so minus 2 profit, and 5 by 1 is equal to 5, so AR is equal to TR by Q. Like that only by using the T or TC price profit out of this, like this only we have to sign. So T or I explain P into Q formula, TC and price they will be given there, and profit is equal to T or minus TC, means this both TC minus T or how much you got, that minus if you do, you will get the profit. That only formula you have to use, and you have to find the answer. So here in this page they have given that. So at a price for rupees 10 the product is sold, and TR by P1 is equal to Q1, so 50 by 10 is equal to Q1, so therefore Q is equal to 5, so 150 by 15 QR is equal to 10, so therefore 5 by 5 into 10 by 15, 10 by 5 is equal to 2. So this was your chapter. Okay friends, this was your chapter, the theory of the form and perfect compositions. Okay friends, like, share, comment, and subscribe.